So in the previous problem, the answer is 1 by 2. So next is using Green's theorem, evaluate integral over c, closed integral over c x square minus 2y square dx plus x dy, where c is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. So using Green's theorem. So first of all, Green's theorem is integral over c p dx plus q dy, it is double integral over r, dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dA. And here what is p? Compare with the theorem. P is the coefficient of dx, so x square minus 2y square is p, and x is q. What is dou q by dou x? 1. Dou p by dou y minus 4y. So find the difference, dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y. So it is 1 plus 4y. So we need to evaluate the right hand side. Right hand side is integral over double integral over r 1 plus 4y dA. And what is the region? Region is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. So this is the circle. And if the region is a circle and we have to evaluate a multiple integral, it is easier to use the polar coordinates. Which are the polar coordinates for the circle? X is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. Dx dy is r dr d theta. And r is the distance of the distance from origin to a point on the region. That is origin to any point on the circle, that will be the radius. So here the radius is 3. So r varies from 0 to 3. And theta is angle made by the point. So here the point is varying from theta from 0 to 2 pi because it is full circle. So substituting in the integral, theta from 0 to 2 pi, r from 0 to 3, 1 plus 4r dr, r sin theta, dx dy or dy dx is r dr d theta. So first of all integrate with respect to r, then theta will be a constant. So 1 integral of 1 is r, 4r sin theta integral, 4 sin theta will be a constant. So integral of r is r square by 2. R square by 2. Before that we have to multiply with r. So it is r plus 4r square sin theta. Then integrate with respect to r square by 2, 4 sin theta into r cube by 3 from 0 to 3. So r place substitute 9 by 2 plus 27 by 3, that is 9 into 4, 36 sin theta d theta. So remaining with respect to theta integrate 9 by 2 theta plus 36 into sin theta integral minus cos theta, theta from 0 to pi. So we get answer is 9 pi. Next one is an application of Green's theorem, that is we can find the work done using Green's theorem. Because the work done is integral over c f dot dr and it will be of the form f1 dx plus f2 dy in the two-dimensional plane. So here it will be the left hand side of Green's theorem, integral over c p dx plus q dy, that is integral over c f1 dx plus f2 dy, and the right hand side is double integral over r dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dA. So to find the work done, we need to find the right hand side. So using a for example, find the work done by the force field. Vector F is e raised to x minus y cube into I plus cos y plus x cube into j on a particle travelling once around the unit circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 in counterclockwise direction. So here we have to find the work done. Work done is integral over c f dot dr. So it is of the form integral over c, which is the first component in f, e raised to x minus y cube. So e raised to x minus y cube into dx. Second component cos y plus x cube into dy. So to evaluate this integral, we need to find the right hand side because this is the left hand side of Green's theorem. So the right hand side is double integral over r dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dA. And here what is p? P is e raised to x minus y cube. Q is cos y plus x cube. So dou p by dou y is with respect to y integrate derivative minus 3y square. Dou q by dou x 3x square. So W is double integral over R. Dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y. So 3x square plus 3y square dA. Or we can take 3 outside. So 3 into x square plus y square dy dx. That is, which is the region? Region is again a circle. X square plus y square is equal to 1. So we can use polar coordinates. X is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. Dx dy r dr d theta. R varies from 0 to 1 because the radius is 1. Theta from 0 to pi. We are taking the full circle. So it becomes integral from 0 to pi. Theta from 0 to pi, r from 0 to 1. 3 into x square plus y square. X square plus y square is, x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. So x square plus y square will be r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So r square sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 3r square into r dr d theta. So it is 3 into r cube. Integral is r raised to 4 by 4 from 0 to 1. So 3 by 4. Again integrate with respect to theta, we get 2 pi. So answer is 3 pi by 2.